Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Erica Rose Creates Design Team Lab. I am just steady wanting to use up this collection, which is the Simple Stories Spooky Nights. I still have plenty of scraps and I think two full 12 by 12s plus this one, so three. But yeah, just trying to use it up. I still have some fall things to scrap, so all is good there. It is also Follow a Sketch February, day 5. Here is the Scrapping Reflections sketch chosen for today, and it was created by myscrapsandmore.com, Tammy Bennett. So I am going to play with this a little bit because I do have these two photos, and it's me feeding the baby goats. Ugh. We've moved on to bottle feeding now. And then this Hey Girl It's a Fall cut file that I went ahead and backed with papers from the collection, and then the gray cardstock, which I backed the photos in, which is going to represent this photo over here. And then I went and fussy cut out some of the other pattern paper to get a whole bunch of little elements. And then I've got the 12 by 12 sticker sheets. So let's just maneuver this stuff around. And I chose this pattern paper because of the lines on the background of the sketch. So we're going to get this right there, okay? And then this one's going to go right below it. So let's see, do we want to do this one and then this one like this? I know I'm actually facing that way, but that's just, I mean, what do you think? We could flip the whole way out and put this over here. So then we just reversed the layout. Let's go ahead and do that. So let's get these down. Okay. I knew it. I was just about to say I'm gonna run out of ink tape soon. Okay, so we've got those on there. Then this is gonna sit here so it doesn't actually cover anything up like that, and then we've got it reversed. Then we're just going to take some of these elements and some of the fussy cuts and go get our decoration on. And I think we'll use Too Cute to Spook as part of our title, but the Hey Girl It's Fall is the title, but I like the Too Cute to Spook. I think we're going to pop this up on some foam, so I'll go ahead and do that off screen and I'll be right back. Alright, so we've done a little bit. I've put this here. I've ran the border strip along here. I peeled that back up. I've got this popped up on foam. We've got the books there because I want to come in and place the little ghosties just in here to fill in the void. Okay. And then let's go ahead and put this up here. Put that guy right in the middle there. Put a little danger down here. That's funny to me. And here for the treats. I'll tuck that one right there. Broom Parking, Booyah, Sweet and Spooky, October 31st Spooks galore, boo, beware. Wow. Okay. Creep at will, eat, drink, and be scary. I'm going to go ahead and layer this one up here. Okay. Keep it, creep it real, candy, gone batty, yikes, hey boo, the boo crew, one cool ghoul, candy inspector. Let's put this guy. We're just going to kind of fill this area up. Home sweet haunted home, trick or treat, chilling like a villain, haunted spooky, hey pumpkin. Okay. Stay out, squad ghouls. Oh, come on, these are funny. Fabulous. Yeah. So cute. All right, let's go ahead and stick the little owl in there. Okay. Okay. And let's get this little bottle of potion. Stick him over there. Let's get this little kitty head. Put it right here, just kind of. We got the little witch's hat. Oh, I'll be right back. Alright, we're going to see what else we can get on here. Excuse the dog barking. UPS dropped off my fun foam. So, we can put some of this little candy corn on here. And let's see. Get that there. Again, sorry. We got some stars there. I put some here. They're all fussy cut little items. Let's put a little witchy head on the little ghosty. And I got some pumpkins. I'm just going to tuck that one there. And then we're going to tuck this one over here. Okay. And I just found more stars. Let's get those placed down. I actually may have got one too many dots. Let's put that one up there. Yep, one too many. That's okay. We'll just wipe that one off. That's cute. We're going to put the little legs there. Okay. Then we can bring in these stars. stars. Just kind of jazz it up a bit. And and then there's these candy corns. Just get them stuck down. Okay. This guy. Let's stick him right there. And let's put the little bat on here. I'm just having fun now, right? It's the best part about the Halloween stuff is you can just really go to town. Not even you can go to town. All right, but I think that's gonna do it. We've got a lot of stuff on there and we have used a lot of stuff, so that is really cool. Let's bring in some splatters in Heidi Swap, Color Shine, and Citron. And I'm going to scoot it up just so I don't splatter my sweatshirt, because I shouldn't have on such a nice sweatshirt, but I do. And all right, there we go. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to head on over to Erica's shop. Check it out. She's got the coolest little stamps. I need to bust those out because, well, they'll be really good for using the rest of this collection up. And I could probably still get 2, maybe 3 more layouts. So I am making the most of my collections, but I am using them up. I'm going to take all my little fussy cut pieces here and stick them in a little baggie so they don't get destroyed in the process. But I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.